6 o'clock in the morning, and we're up early because we are going to take a train to Washington, D.C. today, and we are going to the Bible Museum. It'll be fun to take the train. Right now, the train is running a special that you can ride it for free on Fridays, the commuter train. So that's what we're going to do. So cute little adventure to ride up and visit a museum that we've wanted to go to for some time but haven't gotten to yet. But anyway, I'm feeding the carrots out here to, I'm saying the deer, but I'm sure the baby rabbits will appreciate them too. So gives me a quick little morning walk too. We haven't gotten to the path yet, but that is going to be worked on this week coming. So that's a lot of work. I think I'll just put it right over here. So, I had some extra carrots left over. So I figure let's give them to the deer, right? Let's check on the garden. So Lowe's had these peppers, these big peppers. They're yellow bell peppers, and they were 2 for $10. And then of course you can see where we planted the radishes yesterday. Look at this zucchini, y'all. Going crazy, right? Sucker's huge. The lettuce is doing fantastic. By the way, I had my first salad with that lettuce. Best salad ever. Some tomatoes. There's some more. We've got tons of cucumbers. Look at them. There's tons of them. And there's the little dude who's climbing. He doesn't like, for some reason, he doesn't like being forced to climb that trellis. He wants to sit down here on the ground like the rest of them. And then there's the kale, which I'm going to have to get the cloats off of them at some point. But yeah, we have to fix this fence. Can't keep on. The lavender's doing great. The lavender must really love this box, because I've never had any luck with the lavender. So the lavender must really love the box. So let me just explain, because I don't think I have yet, about the garden. So here's the garden. The majority of the sun is right in this area. And so the idea is going to be is to take these 2 boxes at the end of the season, put one of them on this side right here so that it matches this box. There will be a box that replaces those bricks right there. And then there will be another box and another box behind these. Okay, so that the entire garden is going to be right there in that center. Okay, on this side and on this side of the garden, where David and Daniel will be. So we're going to move David back here and Daniel back here, and then this whole front area will be empty, and this will be the garden area right there. It will, number one, help the garden to grow better, because that's where the most sun is, but also it will help me with the mowing of the garden. So yeah, and this is something else that I just found. This is why I love coming out in the morning, y'all. This is why I love gardens, because look at what I found this morning. Just peeking up, peeking through. You see her? Just one little rose, but those roses are so pretty. They're like a orange color. And yes, I have my new braces in this morning, so I'm slurring. But anyway, y'all hear the birds? The birds are like, can you put some food out for me? And I'd be like, I don't really want the squirrels out here, but I really should put them out, put the bird feed out. But anyway, back in the house. Got to get some food and coffee before we take this new adventure. Take the train to DC.
Here we go. Can't wait.
So Wayne and I are on the quiet car. All the kids are headed to DC. And we're off. What did you just say?
What?
He said he loves riding the train, especially when it's free.
I always give away too much. It's like I've got no sense of touch. I'm always pouring out my heart, no little by little here. I'm always pushing things too far. 2, 5, 6, 10 drinks at the bar. No boundaries, I get too close. No little by little here. 'Cause I give my all. Oh, no little by little. I pour out my heart. Little by little here. I always run and hit the wall. I'd rather rather jump and risk the fall. I see no limits in the sky, no little by little here. No, no, got stuck on working on myself. Thought I was wrong and needed help, but I'm just different, something else. No little by little here, 'cause I get my
You just said 2 different blocks. Is it 2 blocks that way or 2 blocks this way?
That's what I'm trying to figure out.
There's the train we were just on. 90 minutes, you guys. 90 minutes. Wayne's trying to figure out which way we walk. He's going to get run over because he wants a picture of that. That's my husband for you. That's the Washington Monument. I call it the pencil. But I do. I call it the pencil. And that's the Smithsonian Institute right there. That one. Yeah. Food trucks. Ice cream. Ice cream. And there it is. Museum of the Bible. Let's go look. Wow. That's cool. Wow, look at this elevator. Wow. It's crazy. So this is the 6th floor. We're going out here to the gathering room, I guess. Wow. Look at that view. Wow. This place is crazy. What is that over there? That's the Capitol. Wow. Look at the grass growing on those rooftops. That's crazy, right? She's got the whole capital of DC in her hands. She's got the capital of DC in her hands. If you do not like heights, you will not like this. Ooh. Wow. We're up there. And there's the monument. There she is right there. There's the National Monument in Washington, D.C. That's an awesome shot of that Capitol. Sure. Wow. You can really see it. There she is. Right there. Biblical Gardens. You know I have to go out here. Ooh. Look at these. Look, I know somebody who would like those. Purple cornflowers. Look at that. Ooh, I love it. Look how big this is. Is this lavender? Yep. Oh, it's gorgeous. Oh, it's Russian sage. Looks like lavender. Is it the same thing? I don't know. pretty to have lunch here. I have lost my husband. Anybody else feel my pain? He was looking at the menu, y'all. Stomach's talking. This Bible is beautiful. That Bible is beautiful.
Right, the Bible. I don't have a feather. Where is my feather? Worker boy, bring me my feather. How can I work under these conditions?
There's the tools I needed. Hard to find good help these days. None of these have been started. Wow. All these people don't have the Word of God.
No.
Can't be finished yet, y'all, because those haven't even been translated yet. Y'all, the absolute fact that there's an entire wall over here, 2 walls actually, of countries and places that have yet to, languages without any translation of the Bible, just blows me away. I would have thought by now everybody would have it, y'all, but it's just not it's not true. Look at that. Well, there's the Hebrew Bible. Oh, Wayne, there's the fishes. You found them, Wayne. You found the fishes. No matter where we go, he finds the fishes, y'all. The prayer at Valley Forge. Amazing, isn't it? Beautiful picture.
I always give away too much. It's like I've got no sense of touch. I'm always pouring out my heart, no little by little here. I'm always pushing things too far. 2, 5, 6, 10 drinks at the bar. No boundaries, I get too close. No little by little here. 'Cause I give my all. Oh, no little by little, I pour out my heart. Heart. Little by little here.
You confused me by making me ride up here backwards. Now I'm all confused.
Well,
Isn't he cute, y'all? Look at that. Look at that. And he's so cute. And he's so cute. He turned 50 today. 50. He's an old man. You an old man, Wayne.
yeah.
You an old man. It was fun. Was it fun, Wayne?
It was a great time.
No little by little, I pour out my.
You forgot your flash drive. 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 You forgot your flash drive.
Everywhere and be myself, I swear. I'm gonna give my all, 'cause I don't care if people stop and stare. Let me fly, let me fly, let me fly into the sky. Let me be all that I can be. Let me fly, let me fly into the sky. Let me be all I can be. Let me be all I can be. My all, I pour out my heart. I'm gonna go everywhere and be myself, I swear. I'm gonna give my
It's a lot of fun being on a trampoline, y'all.
Oh, is it?
Although he didn't want to sit beside me, y'all. Actually, I have another seat. There's another seat.
Sit on the floor.
We're almost home. Go home and take a kitty nap. Is that what you want to do? Well, that's us. It's empty in here now. Somebody's going to do what later today?
Somebody's got to get a birthday cake.
Somebody's
So-
buying himself a birthday cake.
Absolutely. That's how you know it's going to be good.
Well, y'all, that's going to do it for this video. Thanks for tagging along with us as we went to Washington, D.C. to the Bible Museum. We'll see you on the next adventure. Until then, remember that God, who created you, He loves you so very much. And so does Virginia Country Girl right here. I sure do. Until next time, be kind to one another, okay? And I'll see you again real soon. Bye, y'all.
full stop. Can't believe I live in your thoughts. I think about you all the time, morning, evening, and midnight. Such a wonderful delight. Forgo, give up everything that I own. Yeah, I'd give it all up now just to be with you somehow. Unexpected love was found. You're the rose in a garden, and it shows if I'm honest.